I'm going to be explaining how I got my answers for this week. For the first one, the mean was 100, the standard deviation 15, sample size was 400, the mean was 110, and 99% confidence interval. The t-score was the t-score was 2.617, and then I plugged in the standard error equation, and then I plugged that into the confidence interval equation, and the standard error was 0.75, so then I multiplied that by the t-score, got 1.96, and then I added that and subtracted that from the mean of the sample, and so we are 99% confident that the mean score for all students falls between 108.04 and 111.96. Same thing here, I just calculated the standard error, which was 0.9, and plug that in for the 95% confidence interval, that equation, and multiplied that, and we are 95% confident that the mean score for the population of the workers falls between 76.24 and 79.76. For number 3, I did the same thing. I found the standard error, the t-score for 95% confidence interval, and plugged that in, and I got 5.121 and 3.679. So then we are 95% confident that the mean intake level for all participants falls between 3.68 and 5.12. For number 4, same thing again. I used the equation, the confidence interval equation. First, I found the standard error and then plugged that into the confidence interval equation with the t-score of 2.756. And then I added that and subtracted that from the mean. And we are 99% confident that the mean expenditure per person in the population falls between $35.52 and $41.98. For number 5, I found the standard deviation by using the variance formula, and I got this for that, and then I multiplied that by the p-score, which I found by dividing the number of people by the number of people interviewed, and so I multiplied that and then got that, and then I added that and subtracted that from the p-score, and I got 4.8% and 7.2%. So we are 99% confident that 4.8% to 7.2% of the population of all adult heterosexuals have multiple partners. And then for part B, the confidence interval tells us that around 4.8% to 7.2% of the population of adult heterosexuals have multiple sexual partners. Therefore, 4.8% to 7.2% of the population of adult heterosexuals are at risk of AIDS. For number 6, I just subtracted and added the margin of error to the percent of the population, the 14%, and so I got 11% to 17%, and we are 95% confident that 11% to 17% of the population would give up income to gain more leisure time. To figure this out, you would add and subtract the margin of error from the people in the sample that said yes for more leisure time, which is what I did. And then for number 7, first I found the p-score by dividing 89 by 150, which was 0.59, and then it's a 95% confidence interval, so the t-score is 1.96. So then I found the variance, which was this number, and multiplied that by the t-score, and I got 0.2, I got that number, and then I added that to the p-value and subtracted it from the p-value, so I got 86.5% and 31.5%. And for part A, we are 95% confident that between 31.5% and 86.5% of all visitors to Yellowstone favor the restrictions. And for part B, I put no, because the 95% confidence interval is very wide and goes below half of the population.